Hi friends, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಎಂಕುಲು ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿ ಎಂಚ ಬರೆಪಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಪೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. We are learning how to write in Tulu script. Firstly, I will revise all the letters in Tulu. After that, we will proceed with the next concept. So first, U, A, A, I, E, U, U. Both are same. A, U, U. You can write in both ways. Red la sari. Sari. U. Next. Ru, ru, lu, lu. Next. A, A, A. A, ha, I, O, O, au, aha. These are the vowel letters. U, A, U, Lu, I, O, Au, Aha. Next, coming to consonants. Ka, Ha, Ga, Kha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Cha, Arn, Na, Nya, Da, Tha, Da, Tha, Arna, Da, Tha, Da, Tha, Na, Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, She, Sha, Sa, Ha, La, Sha, Ra, Ja, Ra, Ra. Next, these are the letters. All the letters we have completed. Next, we are going to con. I have didn't told forgot to tell. All the vowel letters are called sorokulu. Sorokulu. Vowel letter. vowels, Sorokulu. Consonant letters are Vyanja, Vyanjanolu, Vyanjanolu. How to write all the things? That stuff we will see in next coming upcoming classes. So these are consonants, consonant letters. Kakha, gagha, like letters are Vyanjanolu. So next we are going to see combination letters. Combination letters are called as Gunithaksharodu. Gunithaksharolu. Multiplication letters. Gunithaksharolu, multiplication letters. Symbols. First we see Gurtulu, symbols. First symbol is U. How to write this? U is small moon shape. For example, for ka, to write ka, ku, 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 ch, ch, j, j, tu, tu, du, tu, tu, like this. First one completed. Next, second one. Ah. For ah, we have to use this. I will write examples. Ka, cha, cha, ta, ma, like this. Next, E. Sorry, this is E. Ki, chi, pi, li, ti. This E. For E, we have to use this. Next, E. How to write this E? For example, ki, ri, ti, ni, uh, we, we, like this. Next, U. For U, at bottom one round will be there. Example, ku, lu, pu, lu. In Gunithaksharas, this lu have came now. U, look, bottom circle. Next, u, double circle. Example, chu, tu, pu. You can write like this, or there is another way, like like this. So, nu, ru, gu, like this. Next, ru, ru for ru. This is the symbol. For writing crew, kra, ru. For writing crew, chru, bru, tru, dru, mru, like this. Next, ru. For ru, how to write? See, one extra round. Ru, cru, cru, through, 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 like this. Next, lu. Yes, lu. How to write this lu? In the bottom only. Just in the bottom, you have to put this symbol, like clue, tulu, plu, like this. Next, lu. How to write lu is in the bottom only. Just lu, clue, lu, And there is a difference between nya and lu. I will show it. I will write in nya and lu. Nya, lu. What is the difference? Both are looking same. So we can differentiate by like this. This is nya, nya, lu. Lu from here it will come, and for nya from here it will come. This is a nya. This is lu. Lu. Next a. This is a. For k example k. They. Pe. Differentiate between the and a. In above, this curve should be small for a. They means like this it will come, like this it will come. This is the difference between the and a. Next a. This is the symbol for a. K. P. B. Like this. Next a. This is the symbol for a. K. La. Na. Ta. Like this. Next a. This is the symbol for a. Two symbols will come. Ka. Cha. Ja. Like this. Next I. This is the symbol for I. Kai. Kai means hand. Kai. Jai. Nai. Like this. Next O means in front one symbol as a symbol, and after that, after letter, this symbol. So in middle you have to put letter. Ko. So to. Like this. Next a. O. For O this one in middle letter, and this one. Ko, mo, ro, like this. Next, ow, in front this, in middle letter, and this. Cow. You can write like this or without in front, without that, back this. You can use both ways. Chow can be written like this or just putting this. Both are correct ways only. Chow. Amaha. Mm, this. And for aha, this. Come, kaha. You have to put near after the letter. If you put down means it will become ku. If you put after to the this and it have to be small letter only. If it is big letter, it become ta. So we have to put carefully. If it is bottom ku, if it is beside letter, it is come. If it is big letter, it become tha, katha like that. One dot will be there means katha. So carefully we have to mention. Next, chaha, jaha, like this. I will show you one letter. I will type one letter for all these special letter. Cha. I am selecting cha for this. Ch, cha, cha, chi, chi, chu. Both ways. First letter also correct. This also same. Ch, chu, chu, chru, chru. Next, chulu, chlu, chulu, che, che, cha, cha, chai, cho, cho, chow, or chow, cham. Will show you here. Cham, Cha. Chu. Chu. Cha. Cha. Chi. Chi. Chu. 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 Chru. Chru. Chlu. Chlu. Che. Che. Cha. Cha. Chai. Cho. Cho. Chau. Cham. Chaha. These are the multiplication letters like Gunithaksharas. We will see with another topic. See you soon. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.